Cheryl Reeve is an American basketball head coach and president of basketball operations for the Minnesota Lynx of the WNBA. Reeve grew up in Washington Township, Gloucester County, New Jersey and graduated from Washington Township High School in 1984, where she was part of the school's first team to make the state finals. In 1988, Reeve was a Rhodes Scholar nominee and received a MAAC Scholar Athlete Postgraduate Award and an NCAA Postgraduate Scholarship. She earned a bachelor's degree in computer science that year and then an MBA, both from Salle University. Reeve was inducted into the Minnesota Sports Hall of Fame as part of the class of 2023. Reeve was named the WNBA Coach of the Year by a panel of media representatives in 2016. In December 2017, Reeve was also promoted to the Lynx General Manager position. Reeve was named the AP Coach of the Year in 2020 as well as the WNBA Coach of the Year. Reeve was inducted into the Minnesota Sports Hall of Fame as part of the class of 2023. Reeve was named the head coach for the women's national team in December 2021. As head coach, she led the national team to its fourth World Cup with the October 2022 win. She was named USA Basketball's national team coach for the year in 2022 following the World Cup win. Before taking on a role among the assistant coaching staff, Reeve had served as an assistant for the 2014-16 USA national team that took home gold medals at the 2014 FIBA World Cup team and 2016 Olympic Games. She returned as an assistant for the 2018 World Cup team, winning gold and qualifying the USA for the 2020 Olympics. Reeve is married to singer and Lynx Vice President Carly Knox. They have one child, Oliver, who Knox said has seen every Lynx home game since he was born. In 2013, Reeve and her staff coached the WNBA Western Conference All-Star team as the Lynx had won the conference championship the previous year.